Cold out, huh? Oh, I'm not touching that concrete. It's cold. Ducks, ducks, ducks. Oh, man, are we frozen? There we go. Oh, it's a little stiff this morning. You gonna come out in the snow? You see what this is about? Hell no, Dad. It's cold. We're not going down there. What'd you open this door for? Are you gonna come out and check out the snow? You gonna check it out? You see what this is about? I don't know. It seems pretty cold out there, Dad. That seems pretty yucky. Maybe? I don't know. It's pretty cold out there, Dad. No, I'm going back. And it says, what? Oh, we're not going out? Okay. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? I got ducky fluff stuck up here. That's an ick. What's that stuff? Why is it on the ground? But it's stuck. Oh, you got a build up of stuff in here. That's why it was stuck. Hold on. Hold on. Don't fall out the door. Oh. What made the sound? Now you're not going to do it, huh? Yeah. Birds. Yeah, do what you were doing before. Do your crazy stuff. Yeah, tell everybody you can't put your whole face in there, Marion. Do your crazy stuff. Do the ducky crazies. Do the ducky crazies. Oh, the Marion is squatting. Oh, there's a squatty duck. We got a squatty duck. Uh-oh. Got a squatty duck. What's that? Oh, you can't eat it. Don't eat it. Yeah. Yeah, Indy doesn't like it. He's like, stop it! What are you doing? I don't like it when you do this. I'm trying to get to the water! Stupid man, you're in the way. You're making Indy nuts, man. Yeah, what's she doing? Huh? What's she doing? She's going nuts, huh? Oh, careful. You guys are crazy. Yeah, what's she doing, Indy? Quacking ducks, quacking ducks. She's crazy, she's crazy, huh? Yeah, you can get, yeah, thank you. Thank you for getting me wet. Yeah, when it's 32 out. Oh my goodness. Man, you make everybody nuts when you do this. Oh, poor Indy's like, I just want access to the water. You keep blocking it. Stop it! Get your face out of my way, Marion. Why you gotta do it in the water, Marion? Why do you be crazy in the water? Why can't you do it somewhere else? Why can't you do it somewhere else? Foofa dog. Why can't you do it somewhere else? Huh? Why you gotta be in the water doing it? You're blocking Indy. He doesn't want it. Ah, thank you. Yeah. She made a mess. Why are you doing it in the water? Why can't you go back here? Do it over here. Do it over here. Don't do it in the water. You'd be crazy. You'd be crazy. Huh? Did you just make a sound? What is that? I don't know what to do. Weird stuff, and I'm gonna close your doors so you don't get frozen. You weird. Yeah. You're weird. And you'd like this. I don't know what you want me to do. You gotta remember, girls mature faster than boys, Marion. Indy is not really sure what you need here. Indy. I guess you're getting me messy. Camera. You gonna say hi? What's up, Meeps 2? Hey, Meepy. Hey, bye, Meepy. What? Oh my god, did Mommy put a teddy bear in there for you? Ridiculousness.
Is that bunny, you think? Or you?
That's a...
It's just so straight, I thought maybe a bunny. There's a lot of cool tracks.
That's a bunny running, I think. Where are you going? Why are you running?
They did that to me this
You
morning.
weirdos. We don't... None of the animals like the winter clothing. You guys are scary in your snow stuff. I don't like it. What's the matter? What are you doing? They're like, wait, what? Food?
We want feed.
Now we'll come.
Yeah. Mom didn't bring us feed before, and we were very...
Hi, Daddy. What are you doing? Oh, Daddy's scary when he's doing snow stuff, huh? Are you going boop? You going boop? Oh, thank you. You haven't booped me in a while. I haven't got my toddy boops in a while. Look how shaggy you are for the winter. You got shaggy, huh? Hi, Claire Bear. What are you doing? She would let me cut that felting off you. You goof. You goofy cow. What are you doing? Are you goofy? So that comes off all nice. Take the whole thing. You guys want this? Yeah. A little bit of sweet feed for a treat. You put out of your sheepy pellets right now. Oh, it's warm. Warm after cutting that hay. You guys are getting it all over, huh? What are you doing? You're being crazy. You want some of this series? Some good stuff? You doing some of this, Neffy? It's Daddy, what are you doing? Here's the girl. There you go. You want some? Come on, girls. Eat stuff. You want sweet feed? Oh my goodness, Neffy. I moved my hand. Goodness. That'll scar. Get your food, you sillies. What are you doing, Siri? Hi. Honey, are you bullying? Don't bully. Don't bully. Yeah, all the rest of the ewes are registered. You're just a stray. Don't be a bully. Don't be a bully. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Come on, Siri, you want to come over here? You want to come over here? Yeah, you eat the good stuff over here, huh? That's good, huh? You eat the good stuff over here. Come on, Neffy. What? You guys are so skittish. What's happening? Why are you all being so skittish now? Yeah, see, Neffy and Siri came over. You can push Siri aside. You tell her to move. Siri, move your butt. Can you move over, please, so the other girls can eat? Come on, Luna. Is it because I'm not wearing a baseball hat? You don't know who I am? Is that what you're saying? I'll get to your butt. I'll get to your butt. Here, you got stuff on you. Who is it, Neffers? Oh, it's Daddy. Oh, hey. You know who I am, you goof bag. Here, can you move your butt a little bit so Neffy can get in? Just move a little bit. You don't gotta gut. Just move so Neffy can eat some. Neffers. Who is it? It's Daddy. You goof. Oh, hi. Oh, hi, Goofy. Eat some dinner. Go ahead. Oh, my goodness. I know. What's Sky? Oh, my goodness. He's so Sky. Oh, yeah. I remember these pets. Oh, no. Do I? I don't know. Oh, so winter makes everything scary. You're silly. Ugh. I don't have any treats tonight. You guys are eating sweet feed because we're out of sheep pellets, so I'm not going to give you treats. It's enough of a treat. You don't need any more sugar. No more sugar for you. There's nothing in there, see? It's empty. What you doing? Yeah? Did you get some sweet feed? That's pretty good. Yeah? Good stuff? You always look like you expect me to attack you. You're a goof. You're a goof. What are you doing? Hi, Neffers. What you doing? Eat, Daddy. Want some scratchies? No? Out of your scarf for not wearing jeans and a baseball hat. I don't know who you are. For a scar. What's me are? It's too scary. You dress too scary, Dad. Don't like it. Yeah, what it is? Tap on the food scoops. Here he comes running. You're a goober. No, you got sweet feed. You don't need treats today. No treats. No treats. You had sweet feed. Hi, Daddy. What you doing? No, Dad. No touching. Hi, Claire. A good nose boop? No, I will whack you, Dad. A good nose boop from Claire. You good nosy boop? Want to pet the nose? No. Don't do it, Dad. Claire will kill you. Daddy. The way you ignore me, Tally. I am purposely not looking at you. Meeps too. Yeah. As we move closer so you don't have to get off the carpet. Yeah, it's cold, huh? It's cold. Yummy.